Right. So I'm actually at the State Bank of India in London at the bank, and I'm actually at one of their head offices, a beautiful office actually. Miss Varsha Bhat is with me, Executive Director and Deputy CEO of the State Bank of India, UK Limited. Um, Miss Varsha Bhat, let me tell you a little bit about her because it's interesting to know what you'll be listening to. She's the Executive Director and Deputy CEO of State Bank of India, UK. She has over 28 years of experience in commercial and retail banking, having started a career with SBI in 1993. So you've been here a long time.
Yeah, long time.
Prior to joining SBI's UK office in March 2020, she has worked in SBI in India at the bank's various offices and business verticals, including being relationship manager of corporate accounts. Now, during this time, you had a lot of experience in working in retail banking,
Yeah.
SME financing. Miss Varsha is also a graduate with certification as a financial crime specialist and anti-money laundering specialist as well.
Yeah.
Welcome to Lyca Media, Lyca Radio,
Yeah.
Lyca Gold.
Yeah. Thank you, Ruby. Thank you for having me here, giving me this opportunity to connect with your listeners.
Yeah.
And at the outset, I would congratulate, or I would say, Happy International Women's Day for all the listeners out there.
Yeah.
And it's a great achievement for the women's to come so far in the last so many years. And we are standing on the shoulders of the other women who have fought for these rights. And I'm really grateful to those who have fought for all these, and we could reap the benefits of it, and now it's on us to make it more easier for the generations to come. So thank you for having me here.
No, I mean, it's such an ideal day today, International Women's
Very
Day.
true, very true.
At Lyca Radio, we're doing a special show there where all the females are wearing red.
Oh.
Hence, that's why I'm wearing red.
You could have told me also.
So straight from here, I'll be going on to the airwaves. And
Okay.
and to see a woman in such a high position at the State Bank of India, which is such a big company, literally the whole of India, any person you know, they will mention it. Not just India.
I would tell you that SBI is such an organization that you will get equal opportunities without asking for it.
Okay.
There is no discrimination whatsoever between a male officer and a female officer. All the opportunities, all the difficult postings also will be given to you.
Wow.
If you are ready for it, you will be given that opportunity. And SBI grooms all the officers equally, women officers, and given all the opportunities, all the challenges, everything is given equally. And because of that only we could achieve whatever we have achieved. I wouldn't say I have achieved very great heights, but whatever I have achieved, I have been supported by my organization, by my superiors, colleagues, and even my staff. So it's a teamwork in SBI. So it's a great place to work with. You can imagine I'm there for so many years.
Obviously.
So it's a great place.
And that's really great of you to appreciate it so much, and the company. And the thing is, the reality is, we stay at a place that we enjoy.
Correct.
If we don't like it, we'll leave.
You will
simple,
leave.
Yeah.
Very simple. Yeah.
So you've been here for for over 2 decades.
Yes.
It says a lot about.
So basically, I would tell you that the mantra is that if you love what you do, it's the best thing in the world if you can do that. If you don't love what you're doing day in, day out, the life will not be a place to enjoy. So I would suggest everyone to do the things which we love to do. Then if you want to pursue your career in that, then you can continue to do that. So
absolutely.
That's what I would suggest every woman out there.
Yeah, makes sense. And I'm so glad that we are here on International Women's Day. What's your plan? Because now you've you have a big role now at the SBI.
Yes.
You're Executive Director and Deputy CEO. That's a big role. And to see a female in that position is even more better. What is your plan or vision for SBI UK in 2023?
So I came here in March 2020, and I was holding the position of Chief Credit Officer for 2.5 years, 3 years here. And after that, I'm elevated to the post of Executive Director and Deputy CEO. I have recently taken over charge. So I have seen SBI UK in last 3 years. And definitely I would say that the vision for SBI UK would be to become a preferred bank for not only for the Indian diaspora, but also to the other UK citizens. So basically we are providing all the products and services that are popular in the market. And I would like our bank to become a preferred financial institution for the customers. Like we are providing so many popular products like buy to let, then residential, not residential, the commercial real estate mortgages, and we also provide various deposit accounts. So we have a digital platform here named by Yono. Yono means you only need one.
Yeah.
So that also is available. So we feel, or I feel, that our vision for the long term will be to become a bank which can cater to all the financial requirements of the uh, all the UK
Yeah.
citizens, and not only the Indian diaspora.
Yeah. Because people who are trying to, as you mentioned, mortgages, trying to get a first-time mortgage, especially the young couples, it's tough for them,
Tough
right?
for them.
And if you have a bank like yourself who can,
But unfortunately, we are not in the residential financing right now, that home loan, home financing, but we are doing the buy to let. So in buy to let, those who have a residential property already, and those who want to have another property which they can let out on a rent, that will be an additional rental income for them. So we do that buy to let funding.
That's good as well.
That's
very
it's
an investment.
Yes,
Yeah, totally. What would you say is your most popular product offered with SBI UK?
So, see, for me, all products are favorite, but popularity wise, I would say that we are also offering instant saving money, saving account. That also is one of the popular product, and we also have safe deposit locker facility.
Yeah.
That also is another very popular product, and all our branches except one branch has the safe deposit locker facility, and almost 90% occupancy is there. So that's one of the most popular products, safe deposit locker. We also are giving the 35 days notice account, so which has a higher interest rate. We are giving the green deposits, so that also is one of the popular product. So I would suggest everybody to visit our website, that is sbiuk.statebank.com, and there they can get all the all the information about all our products and services.
The safe deposit lockers, which you mentioned, is I think every Asian household has one.
Everybody has one.
It's so vital in our lives. People don't realize how vital it is.
And with the current scenario where there are the nuclear families and women's are also working, there is nobody at home. So it is always safe to have your valuables, stored in a safe deposit locker.
Absolutely.
There we take care of all your valuables, so that is safe there, and you can focus on your career. You can go to work without worrying much about your valuables back home.
That's the last thing you want to be worrying about. The perception in market in SBI is for anything to do with India banking. So how would you respond to this, and what measures are you going to take in your tenure to address this?
We are PRA regulated and FCA regulated, and we are here for the last 100 years. 2 years ago, we have completed our centenary. So our first branch was opened here in 1921. So now we are in 102nd year. So we are here for 100 years, and we will be here for many more centuries. So we are here to stay. We are FCA regulated, PRA regulated. We have all type of different varieties of savings accounts, like deposit account. Like we have an instant access saving account, like 35 days notice account, all such accounts, client money accounts. So all these accounts we are having with us. And from the asset side also, we are doing buy to let, we are doing commercial real estate, we are doing also SME financing, business loan, all these products we are doing. So I would like to tell you that our buy to let product, so that portfolio, more than 50% are the non-Indian citizens. So we have a portfolio where more than 55% are non-UK, non-Indian citizens, so they know about us. So it's not that only Indians are availing our facilities. So we are here to offer all the financial products for the populace staying in SBI, staying in UK. So I would say that I wouldn't like to know only as an Indian bank. Our vision is to become a preferred bank for entire UK citizens. So, and we will reach there.
You will. I mean, you mentioned about 100 years, and we had a wonderful campaign on Lyca Radio and Lyca Gold. We were playing like 100 crore song,
100 crore,
which went on for a very long time. And it's so embedded in people's mind. I can't tell you, because when we go to a lot of places being in media. And I think it's an incident that happened like 10 days ago. I went somewhere, and SBI came up in some conversation. And they said, हाँ हाँ हमें पता है कि 100 साल हो गए हैं, बहुत सुना आपका रेडियो.
Yeah,
That's
okay.
exactly what they said to me.
Yeah, we really had a good
Yeah,
publicity from
yeah.
Lyca radio, and of course the Lyca Gold
Like
also.
a goal, yeah.
So
And
we
in
are
fact,
really grateful to Lyca for that.
it got so, we did it for so long that even the presenter was going, ये चलने वाला अभी तक. We're running out of 100 crore songs. It was like that, right? But it was so fun to do.
Yeah, but it's a big achievement.
Yeah, it's a big
It's a
achievement.
big achievement
Yeah.
for an Indian bank to stay put for 100 years. And I would like to tell you one thing, that in 2018 we have started the 100% owned subsidiary. So subsidiary of our SBI parent bank.
Yeah.
So now we are here as a retail subsidiary, and we will also cater to all the retail customers. So many years we were doing only the wholesale banking, but last 5 years now we are also as a retail bank, and all the benefits that a retail bank can give are being given by SBI UK also. And most importantly, our digital platform, that is the YONO. So across the UK, all the citizens can go to YONO, download the YONO app from the website, from the platforms, and open the accounts online. They do not have to visit to the branch. They can just upload the accounts and open the account with SBI UK and avail all the benefits. At the same time, they can also view, if they have an account back home in India with State Bank of India, that account also can be linked into SBI UK YONO, and they can view the balances, check the transactions in that account. They cannot operate that account, but they can view that account from that. So many benefits we are offering in SBI UK. Like you were asking me whether we are only meant for the Indian. So in YONO, we are also giving a facility to send remittance to Nepal, send remittance to Sri Lanka. That also is available. Also, those who don't have an account with SBI can remit money to India, any account in Indian bank, even if they don't have account with us, from our YONO platform. So we have recently started this facility in the new year, 2023.
That's a new one.
That's a very good facility. So if you can use your account in other high street bank and transfer money directly from there to any bank in India.
That's such an advantage.
That's very
because
advantage.
People are transferring money all the
so
time.
So that one layer is removed, right?
Yeah.
So you can directly use the YONO to send money, and there is no additional charge whatsoever for this remittance. Only the exchange rate, what will be prevailing at that will be applicable.
I mean, that's applicable to any money transfer. That's actually really interesting to know, because there are times where we in my family we send money back home, especially if it's some festival or Ramzan or Diwali mein, पैसा भेजते हैं ना लोग कि चलो किसी को दे दो charity पे. So it's good to know actually. I wasn't aware of that.
And मैं सबको ये भी बताना चाहूँगी कि whenever you send money, please do the comparison. Don't just go by the higher rates which are advertised by the other banks. Just compare how much actual money you will be getting, because if they are giving you higher rates, probably there is some service charge, some additional fees which we may not know. तो वो देखने के बाद ही आप एक्चुअली मनी रिमिट करिए.
बिल्कुल सही.
And for all our exchange rates, you can go to our website and check the rates.
Yeah, बिल्कुल. But my next question was which you already explained. So how competitive is the SBI UK deposit and lending rates?
Yeah. So see, deposit rate and lending rates are basically a market-driven concept. So it's not that only SBI UK will be having, but I would definitely say that for green deposits, we are offering more rates than the normal deposit.
Achha.
Same way we have a green buy-to-let mortgage. There again, we are offering the cheaper prices than the regular buy-to-let.
Okay.
Of course, the green buy-to-let is applicable only for the houses or properties having the EPC rating of ABC.
Okay.
So up to ABC, we are offering further concession, or the green deposits are more competitive than the green buy-to-lets are more competitive than the normal buy-to-let. So those are the things which you can take benefit of.
Yeah, that's great. So how are our Indian listeners, how can they benefit with your instant saving accounts, which is a very popular one?
Yeah, very popular.
Especially when you travel to India, you want to send money. Say if I have an account here and I want to, I'm traveling to India.
What I can suggest now, all those who are having the instant access account now, when you go to India, you can use our debit card on any POS machine, and you can use that debit card to withdraw money from any ATM in India we have more than 60 or around 65,000 ATMs in India. So any SBI ATM you can go and withdraw money in rupees from that account. From your UK account in SBI UK, you can withdraw rupees in India. Of course, exchange rate will be applicable.
course,
Again, no transfer
Yeah.
fees, no additional charges
Yeah,
is
yeah.
there. No hidden charges basically. So it's quite transparent. You can just withdraw cash there. You don't have to carry anything from here. Just withdraw cash from there. You deposit money in SBI, you can withdraw there. Also, all POS machines you can use the ATM card.
It's, I mean, you're saying there's no charges, because normally when we go, if I go to say Europe and I take out euros, there's always
Yeah,
a charge
there
that
is
comes up
always
with
a
a charge,
charge.
yeah? So with my SBI one, if I have an account here and I use my debit card, there's no charge there?
There is no charge.
Oh, that's such a bonus.
That's really very interesting.
Yeah.
And you can use it, without any risk or anything of carrying money or such things.
Yeah.
And that day exchange rate also will be applicable.
Yeah.
So
Okay, we've come so much. तरक्की हमने इतनी की है कि पहले ज़माने में we used to like want, if we're traveling, or I'm talking a long time ago, cash निकाल के पर्स में रखा, this, that, the other, and it's so,
there is a risk of theft,
there's a risk of,
and the constant you have to keep tab on that, where is your purse, where you
exactly, it's scary, and now it's so convenient, everything on card. That's right. Great. You've told us so much about SBI. Tell us what is your website address to find out all the information that we've been talking about.
Yeah. I would tell all your listeners to, if they want to know more about our products and services or rates of foreign remittance and all, they can visit our website sbiuk.com. And in addition to that, I will also like to all our listeners to tell them that please do not share your password or OTP with or account details with anyone over the phone. If anyone is asking over the phone such details, please understand that that person is not from SBI, not from any bank. For that matter, not only SBI UK, for any bank account details or OTP, do not share with over the phone with anyone. Also, I would tell everybody that whenever you think about depositing money with any bank, they should deposit with a authorized, reputed financial institution or a reputed bank only. Do not in the in बड़े सी देखिए क्या इंटरेस्ट रेट की लालच में people think of depositing money with not so known bank. So if someone is offering you a higher interest rate, please make sure that they are PRA or FCA regulated, and you get the FSCS cover there for the 85,000. So FSCS cover is up to 85,000 pounds, and that you will be getting in SBI UK as well.
Okay. What else would you like to tell our listeners? Tell us a bit about any personal experience of yours or with SBI. You've been here for a long time. Something that really you thought, wow, or made you happy, smiled.
So basically, on the occasion of this Women's Day, so I would tell all the women out there that, as a woman, you are actually contributing to the society, to the world in many ways. It's not that only if you're working you are contributing. Even if you are as a homemaker, you are contributing to your family, and your family is progressing because you are supporting them to conquer the world outside. So all the women out there, I want to tell them that you need to have your own me time every day. Like, women are more thinking about others. Like, women are being told what to do, what not to do. So I would suggest everybody out there that you need to be very positive and strong with your own commitment, with your own self. You should be happy. If you do that, you are able to pass on that happiness to your family, to your people around you. And focus, if you're working, you can focus on both the things. You need not have to choose one or the other. You can have both the things. You can do your career, and you can also pay attention to your family. I don't want them to keep themselves, you take a step back every time. Whenever where an opportunity comes, women always think about others first and then for themselves. So I would tell everybody out there that you are free to choose, and life will depend on your choices, what you choose for yourself. So choose for yourself, not only for others, but choose for yourself, and stick to it and follow through. is the important thing, I feel.
Because women are amazing.
Women are amazing. Yes, yes.
Women are definitely.
Women is a most magical creature on this world. Woman is a force. Once she decide to do something, nobody can stop her.
Yeah, and it's because we're both females, we'll understand this, the pressures that we go through in life, and how we deal with it so smoothly, without battering an eyelid. चाहे वो बच्चे के साथ हो, family के साथ हो, काम पे हो, anything health के साथ हो, yeah, you just continue, and you think, okay, you don't bring your obviously everybody is different.
Almost every field of life you will say women are ruling now.
Yeah. Well, Varsha, it's been great talking to you. Honestly, it's very inspiring as well to see the way that you've climbed up the ladder at SBI UK. May you continue to succeed.
I'm really grateful to God and my family. Of course, to SBI.
SBI, yeah. And may SBI UK continue to succeed for centuries here as well.
Yes.
And we hope to speak to you soon another time.
Thank you.
And,
thank you so much.
No, thank you so much for talking to us. Thank you.
Yeah.
Bye.
Thanks a lot.
Bye.